Okay guys, I had to get in my car because I know the wind noise would be so terrible. Note to self, bring a dead cat when you are doing storm videos. Anyway, I'm in here and it looks like the storm is kind of going, I thought it was going to hit me, but it's going that way. I might go move. I want to see more. I don't see anything. My wife is on the phone, by the way, so if she knows of anything tornadic, I'll either report it myself or she will report it to me. So let's go somewhere else and find a better spot. So I'm not going to be able to talk to you outside because it got really, really windy, but I'm going to go show you how rough the lake is over here. And the storm is going away from me that way, but I might try to sweep in behind it and go take a look and see if we can find anything interesting. This storm is moving by quickly. You can tell that it's going that way. You can tell that there's kind of sheets of rain over here, not too heavy, but over here, where I'm gonna go, is where it gets more heavy. I'm just gonna shift positions because I can't see very well here because of the trees. The weird thing about storms is over here it's bright and sunny, but they blow through like an isolated event, you know, and over here it's super dark. What makes them so interesting is you can kind of start to study and track their movements. The only thing I wish I had was radar. I could get it on my phone, but that's kind of hard to check, and I don't have an app for that right now. Definitely heavy rain over here. Straight ahead to my right. Let's go see if we can find a better vantage point. That amphitheater right there is the one where Guns N' Roses had the big riot back in the 90s. I heard about it, some kind of riot. They didn't want to play or something like that. Check out the dust on the road blowing across. It never does that. Okay, I don't have much time before the sheets of rain start coming, so this is probably my last stop. See the sheets of rain coming here that will be hitting me before too long. Well, I'm glad I'm in the light part of it. I got my lens a little bit wet. Not happy about that, but the winds are really strong right now. Whoa. The car's starting to rock, man. Heavy rains now. You know what's funny is it's gonna be sunny here in just a minute. Just gotta wait. And there's the rainbow. I have lived all over the country, and everywhere I've lived, they've all said the same thing. If you don't like the weather here, just wait 5 minutes. But never has it been more true than it is here in Missouri.
Please don't go, I need you so I'm begging Seal to play.